So here is the Philips 5400 series fully automatic machine, and this is how it looks. Awesome quality, very premium look, awesome display, very bright. These are all the buttons, as you can see, the Philips logo in the front. Has customizable coffee settings, and this is how it works. Easy for the maintenance, no issues till now. Good for the perfect temperature and the aroma. Has Duramix sealable grinder as well. Works very efficiently and takes very less time. You can see the display showing the machine is in work.